Hindi, ang dami mong pinagdaanan.
Sobrang maraming
Marami
Mariosep.
Yun ang ibig kong sabihin.
Ganun pala pag nag-TTNT,
Oo
ang
naman.
hirap pala niyan. Paano ka pinetition ka bawat?
Yes, nag-tourist lang kami at the
Ah,
time.
Oh
okay,
my
wag na nating-
goodness,
wag na-
gulay.
wag na-
Pag ano pa lang, pag landing mo pa lang, oh my God, ang
Oo,
lamig.
sinabi mo.
Ganon.
Oo.
Anong month ba yan? Nung dumating ka?
Dumating ako March. So, naturally, na homesick ako.
Anong
Siyempre.
ginawa mo nung na-homesick ka?
Eh di
Ay, lapis-
nagbayad ako ng $800 at patawag-tawag sa Pilipinas a month.
Oo nga,
Kasi
ang mahal
Dati-
nun
mahal
eh.
pa naman dati nun.
Hindi
Wala
pa
pang-
uso, hindi pa uso yung
Messenger
Oo.
o
wala pang
Facebook.
messenger. No, this was like in 2008.
Subprime, mga subprime
Oo,
uso nun.
pero na-turn off ako kasi nga parang
Mm.
Lapit ka, lapit ka.
yung broker ko
Oo.
parang walang integrity. So,
Oo.
na-turn off talaga
Huwag na lang
ako.
tayo magpangalan ko. Hello, everyone. This is Elizabeth Velasco from the Velasco team of Remax Gold, and this is
Alvin Reyes with Supreme Lending.
and welcome to our episode 83 of Bahay Pinoy sa Tate.
Yes,
Hello,
yes.
Alvin.
Hello, Elizabeth.
Kumusta ka na?
Nako, ito. Very excited lang ngayon.
I know we have a special guest.
Oo, special guest natin. Oo.
Ipakilala natin. Siya
Yeah.
po ang Secretary ng Filipino-American Real Estate Professional Association here in
Sacramento
Sacramento.
region, correct.
At
Mhm.
walang iba kundi si
Melody.
Melody Epley.
Yes.
Yeah. Welcome.
Hello.
Okay.
Wow, napaka-upbeat naman ng podcast niyo. Gusto ko to. Napaka-positive
Sobra
ng vibe.
talaga.
Oo
Sobra
nga,
talaga.
yes. Okay, Melody, alam mong naimbitahan ka namin kasi curious lang kami ni Alvin. I mean, first and foremost, thank you so much for
Yes.
volunteering to become the secretary or one of the officers of the FARIPA here, Sacramento chapter.
Correct,
And
yes.
we really appreciate you. Talaga
We
namang
certainly do.
pusong Pinoy siya, di ba, Alvin?
Sobrang pusong Pinoy, hindi lang pusong Cebuana.
Exactly.
As well.
At alam ba ninyo na si Melody is also a realtor with Keller Williams.
Correct.
Yes,
correct,
oo
correct.
nga.
Yeah, yeah.
So, Melody, makwentuhan mo naman kami.
Oo.
Yung, paano ka nakarating dito sa Amerika?
Oh, yeah.
Well, it started
Lapit
back
ka, yeah.
Oh,
in
lapit mo.
1998.
Oh, 1998.
1998.
So, it's been a long journey, but it was fun and exciting.
Yeah.
Yes, yes. Okay, paano ka nakarating? Ilang taon ka noon nung dumating
I
ka?
was 18.
18
Ah,
do the math,
18.
I'm
So dito ka na
45.
dito ka na basically
College.
college na, no?
Yeah.
Doon ka
Oo,
nag-high
tapos siya
school.
ng high school
Yes,
doon.
Oo,
yes.
oo.
Nag-
Wow.
Nag-graduate ako ng high school doon, tapos
Oo.
nag 2 years ako doon. Actually, 3 semesters lang
Oo,
at
oo.
the time.
So naramdaman mo yung buhay Pilipinas, yung as being teenager sa Pilipinas, right?
Yes.
Yeah,
Oo nga, yes. Oo nga. So, hindi ka na dito mo na lang tinapos.
Dito na ako pero hindi pa rin ako nag-graduate kasi may pagka-entrepreneurial talaga ako yung mindset ko.
Okay.
So, hindi ko
Ah.
rin tinapos. Marami akong kinuha. Nag-marketing. Well, sa Philippines, accounting ako.
Ako, accounting.
Tapos, dito nag-proceed pa rin ako ng accounting. But then I realized,
Hindi para sa'yo.
I'm a marketer at
Yeah,
heart talaga.
Yeah, oo nga. Talagang gusto niyang magnegosyo.
So, I
Yes.
like marketing. So, nag-pursue ako ng marketing. Hindi ko rin siya tinapos kasi
Oo.
there's just too many bumps sa
Yeah,
buhay-buhay
tama.
natin
Of
dito
course,
sa Amerika.
of course.
Oo
Yeah,
nga, lalo
yeah.
na pag newly immigrant ka, di ba? Oo nga.
Correct.
Lahat naman tayo. And then, so the bottom line is, you tried to be an accountant, naging marketer ka.
That's right.
So, paano ka bumagsak sa real estate? How
Oo
did
nga
you
pala.
even
Yes,
bump
ano bang
into that?
background mo?
Di ba?
Mhm.
This is actually like my second well, actually, that was like my first.
Lapit tayo konti.
Back in 2007, 2008, in-explore ko talaga yung real estate world. And I started as a lender.
Oh, okay.
Oh, loan officer
dati-
pala
loan
siya.
officer.
Dati ba talaga?
Yeah.
Which lender
Tapos?
is this?
So, So, this was like in 2008.
Subprime, mga subprime
Oo,
uso nun.
pero na-turn off ako kasi nga parang
Mm.
Lapit ka.
yung broker ko parang walang integrity. So, na-turn off talaga
Huwag na lang tayo
ako.
magpangalan
So,
kung
ayoko na
sino man yun.
Oo. So, hindi ko na lang siya pinursue. So, nag-pause ako. And then I had a child at that time.
Nagpalaki
So,
mo
may
na siyang
1-year-old ako doon. So, kailangan ko ng mas stable na income. So, again, hinold ko yung thought na magiging realtor. So, ngayon, fast forward like 18 years later, naglakas loob akong
Mag-real
mag-real
estate.
estate.
Oo,
And,
kasi yun talagang gusto niya. Baka
Yun
yun
talaga
talagang
ang-
calling
Sa kanya.
niya.
So how long
Yes.
have you been doing real estate, by the way?
this is third year.
Third
This is
year
my
na.
third year.
Oo
So,
nga.
gusto ko siya fruitful. I love helping our kababayans. In fact, like I would say 90% of my clients are Filipino.
Filipino.
Oo
So,
nga
Correct.
naman.
maraming salamat sa mga kababayan
Oo,
natin
oo,
dyan.
oo
na,
nga.
yeah.
Tumatangkilik sa kanya,
Oo.
di ba?
Yes.
And it's which is with Keller Williams, which is in Elk Grove, di ba?
Yes,
Oo.
oo
Correct.
nga. Actually, she also markets sa Bay Area.
Yeah, Bay Area
Sometimes
as well.
I see
Oo.
it.
Yeah,
Yeah.
yeah.
Okay, so Melody, nung 18 years old ka, may mga kapatid kang kasama o buong pamilya kayo nag-immigrate dito?
No, ako lang yun at saka yung aunt ko at that time.
Uy,
Really?
Yes.
Oh, paano ka pinetition ka ba? What?
Yes, nag-tourist lang kami at that time.
Oh
okay,
my
wag na nating-
goodness,
wag na nating-
gulay.
Wag na, ba dumating ang ice dito. Wag na natin yan.
Hindi, okay lang yun. Actually, interesting story
Karamihan,
nga eh.
oo.
Wow, so it
So,
is-
sa kayo pumunta, mahirap bang interview dyan?
Oh.
Mahirap.
O naman. O naman.
So, it was, actually at that time, madaling pumunta ng States.
Yeah,
Oo
before.
nga,
In the
oo.
90s.
Oo nga, madali.
lang.
Correct, oo.
Madali lang, tapos madali lang din mag-overstay at
Yeah,
that time.
oo.
Oo nga, correct.
So, madali lang naging ko. Pero, syempre, like a lot of our kababayans na gustong mag-migrate dito as a,
Correct.
tourist, tapos
Yeah.
insist na talagang to
Mag-stay.
stay.
Gusto na
Oo,
mag-stay.
oo.
So, nagstay,
Oo.
tapos, maraming
Steps
roadblocks.
talaga.
Yes.
Hindi, ang dami mong pinagdaanan.
Sobrang maraming
Marami
pinagdaanan.
Mario,
talaga.
Yun ang
Sip.
ibig kong sabihin.
Ganun pala pag nag-TNT,
Oo
ang
naman.
hirap pala
Well,
niyan.
ako, di naman ako magmamabilis.
Pero nag-TNT ka rin.
No, my wife is. Di ba?
Yung wife mo nag-TNT?
Hindi siya TNT, pero she was petitioned
Ako hindi.
by her auntie. Pero
Tapos?
tapos yung petition niya parang hindi tinuloy.
Pinalso.
Pinalso. Kasi nga nakilala ko.
Oo, ngayon.
Para siyang
Wala na, ikaw na ang ticket ko.
Parang
Siya na yung
hindi
ginawang
ko
stepping
sabihin,
stone.
nakilala kasi ako, tapos parang inano siya, tinakwil siya.
Yeah.
Wala
Ay,
siyang
ay,
choice.
ay.
Oo,
Yeah, wala
oo.
siyang choice.
Ay, buti naman pinanindigan mo.
Siyempre naman. Pero, grabe Melody. So, this means one thing, talagang marami ka rin talagang pinagdaanan. no?
Marami. So,
It's not easy, no?
Oo.
That's
so,
not easy. Nakakatakot. Kaya
Kulang-
at the age of 18.
kulang
Oo.
yung podcast time nyo. If
Oo, kung
ikukwento ko
sasabihin natin.
lahat.
My goodness.
So, walang parents, si auntie lang,
Oo.
di ba? Wow!
Yes.
Wow!
Pero yung auntie mo nandito pa rin.
Yes, nandito pa rin yung auntie.
But ikaw na, straight from Cebu ka nun. Nung
From
pumunta ka
Cebu,
dito,
correct.
talagang prombi rin ang
Yeah.
dating mo nun.
Yes.
Hindi
Wow.
naman mga promi, mga
Hindi ibig sabihin natin-
social ang mga taga
Oo
Cebu.
nga, pero
ah.
Cebu is, pero I'm just saying, from talagang straight from Cebu
Wow.
going here.
Eh,
sa-
hindi culture na culture siya. Kami mga kamag-anak naman
Oo,
kayo na
syempre.
kumupkup sa inyo.
Oo, syempre culture shock talaga ako. Talagang, parang pag landing mo pa lang, oh my God, ang lamig.
Sinabi
Mga
mo.
ganon.
Anong month ba yan? Nung dumating ka?
Dumating ako March. So that was like pa-spring na yun.
Okay, wait a minute. So, saan ka nagstay? San Francisco? Saan kayo nagstay?
No.
Sa nung pagdating
yung
mo?
first stop ko is Dallas, Texas.
Boy,
Sus Mario, sa Dallas, Texas, eh, wala masyadong Pilipino.
Oo, wala. As in, wala din talaga.
Eh, parang
Rednecks.
nagulat ka.
Sorry.
Sabi
Ay,
ko, nasa...
nagulat talaga ako kasi
Oh.
Dallas in itself, malaki ang Dallas.
Yeah, malaki.
talaga siya.
Talagang malaki. Pero, yung final destination ko, hindi sa Dallas.
Eh, saan?
There was only 15,000 people there.
Sus Mario, Joseph, napunta siya sa ano.
Grabe.
So, parang bundok.
Grabe.
So, ibig sabihin, napunta ka sa liblib na
Oo,
lugar.
from Cebu, talagang, di ba, Cebu is a big city.
Yeah, it's
correct.
populated.
So maraming tao,
Oo,
talagang
oo. Tourist spot pa.
Oo,
Oo.
tourist spot pa siya, talagang dinadayo siya, okay? So nung nagpunta ako ng Jacksonville, Texas, yun. So na-shock
Oo,
ako.
syempre,
Kasi
oo.
parang, bakit ang liit? Bakit walang tao?
At saka hindi ganito yung nakikita ko sa
Oo,
sa TV.
Naturally, na homesick ako.
Anong
Syempre.
ginawa mo nung
Oo,
na-homesick ka?
Eh di
Ilan-
nagbayad ako ng $800 at patawag-tawag sa Pilipinas a month.
Oo nga,
Kasi
ang mahal
dati-
nun
ang mahal
eh.
pa naman dati nun.
Hindi
Wala
pa
pang-
uso, hindi pa uso yung
Messenger
Oo.
o
wala pang
Facebook.
Messenger, wala pang Facebook, wala
Oo.
pang
Oo.
FaceTime.
Oo.
iPhone, yeah.
Si Verizon ang nakikinabang.
Oo.
Oh my
Kasi
God.
like, we were paying as much as 80 cents per minute at the
Wow,
time.
grabe.
Yeah.
So anong ginawa mo? So from there, nag-tour ka muna. So nag-aral, right?
Nag-aral naman ako ng pakonti-konti. Pero kinareer ko yung just learning the culture here.
Okay.
Kasi gusto kong to fit in. I wanna fit in.
Yeah,
And then, syempre nangapaka pa
Wow.
sila lahat. Syempre, na-depressed
Iba
din
pala
ako.
yung story ni Melody.
Na-depress ka pagdating.
Siyempre naman.
Kasi wala kang kaibigan,
Oo,
wala
wala
kang
kang
pamilya,
family
auntie mo
dito.
lang. Kumusta naman yung auntie mo?
Okay naman siya. Naging okay naman din yung buhay niya. At naging okay naman din yung buhay ko. So,
Wow. Doon mo nakilala yung mister mo sa Texas.
well, yes.
Long story na
And
naman
then
to.
Oo, long story na naman yun. Nagsasaka
Ikaw talaga, si Day mga tinatanong nito eh.
Hindi. Kung alam lang yan, kasi ang last name ni Melody, Epley. Puti po
Epley,
ang
as in
kanya.
puti talaga.
Amerikano. Yes, ang
Oo.
asawa.
Hindi, nakikita
Puti.
ko yung mga Facebook nila, yung mga post niya, yung mga maganda ng mga anak mo. You have
Yeah.
beautiful kids.
Ilan bang anak mo? Ilan? Tatlo, di ba?
Oo, sa sexing kong ito, nakatatlo naman ako.
Buti naman. Keep niya yung figure niya. Okay, teka muna. Ilan taon yung panganay mo?
I have an 18-year-old.
Okay.
Tapos,
Boy, right?
Boy.
Okay,
and
tapos?
then yung firstborn ko. Tapos yung second ko is 15.
15.
And
Okay.
then 10
Boy
years
din.
old.
Boy.
Girl.
Girl.
So,
Tapos
naka-girl
yung bunso.
ako. Bunso is a boy.
Okay. Boy, girl,
Yes.
boy.
So
Yes.
this is a
Yes.
great example, guys, na if you're determined and if you really want to make it, it's gonna happen. Right? It
Yeah.
Oo
doesn't
nga.
matter where you came from. It doesn't matter how you started, di ba?
Alam mo,
Mangyayari-
interesting. I
mangyayari
would
talaga.
never thought na itong pinanggalingan
diba?
ng
Oo nga
Melody.
eh. Di ko rin alam. May kanya-kanyang
Talagang
story
ang
din
dami
tayo.
talagang iba-iba
Oo.
storya ng mga Pilipino
I mean,
dito sa Amerika.
as a parents, alam mo naman kung gaano kahirap dito sa Amerika, di ba?
Oh, yes.
Lalo na kung may mga babies ka or may mga anak ka na.
Oo nga,
Di ba
sino
katulad mo, no?
nagbe-babysit?
Oo,
Tatlo.
sino nagbe-babysit, di
Sino
ba?
nagbe-babysit?
Oo.
Tatlo yan.
Well, buti na lang dumating yung point na nakapetition yung napetitionan ko yung nanay ko.
Okay, well,
So,
buti.
nagkaroon ng
At least
konting-
tumulong.
So,
no?
yes,
Malaking bagay yun.
Malaking bagay
Oo.
talaga
Sus
yun.
Mario Jose,
Oo.
panghirap mag-babysit dito sa Amerika.
Sobra, di ba?
At
Yes.
that time, I think the going rate was like $500 or $600 a
Yeah,
month.
yeah.
Kung hindi infant yun ha.
Oo,
Ang
oo.
infant
Oo nga.
was like, 800
Eh,
or
magkano
1,000
lang
at
ba
that
sweldo
time.
nun? $5?
Magkano lang, oo.
Wow,
Nag-umpisa lang tayo sa mga
Oo
$8 an
nga.
hour.
Oo
Eh, kami
nga,
nung palitan
$7.
kami ng misis ko nun. Palitan
Yeah.
talaga kami ng lagi.
That's what we also did
Oo,
that.
oo.
Yeah.
Wow.
Now, so now that you're a realtor, right? So my question is, what really trigger you to be a realtor? Yung pinaka-U-turn. Because I
Yeah.
know, I mean, ano ba?
Kasi ang trabaho niya, ano bang trabaho
Yeah,
mo
you
dati
were-
before
yeah.
you became a realtor?
Yeah.
Well, I was a litigator for workers' compensation.
Oo.
Litigator.
Litigator
Okay.
for medical liens.
Oo.
Okay. O, so tapos,
So what really pushed you to become a realtor? Ano yung
Oo.
pinaka-U-turn?
Yeah.
May U-turn lagi.
bakit
There's a-
bumalik ka?
May
Yeah.
U-turn yan eh. May
Kasi yun
U-turn yan
talagang
lagi.
calling
Yun
niya ka. Ano.
well, all throughout my career talaga is always gonna be on the negotiating part. Palagi ako
Sa
nag-negotiate.
doon ka magaling din
Oo,
talaga.
so yun ang palagi kong trabaho. Pero at the time, nung nag-pandemic, lahat kami was sent home na talagang hindi na kami pwedeng pumunta ng board kasi that was what I did.
Oo.
So, sabi ko, well, why don't I try real estate? Kasi yun naman talaga ang gusto ko.
Oo,
Kasi
yeah.
yung first driving factor talaga is to be able to help yung mga kababayan natin na hindi nakakaintindi or real estate in itself, buying itself is very intimidating dito
Yeah,
sa
correct.
Amerika.
Totoo
Tsaka it
naman.
could be complicated.
Yeah.
Hindi katulad
complicated.
ng Pilipinas na usap-usap lang tayo, sa'yo
Yeah.
na yung bahay
Oo,
ko at ito
oo.
na yung pera.
Oo,
Diba?
cash
Parang
kasi dun eh. Oo.
walang contract, walang mga
Oo.
ganun. So,
Oo.
I wanna be able to help yung mga
Good.
kababayan natin break it all down
Good, oo.
kung paano bumili at paano magbenta ng bahay. So,
Oo.
yun ang naging ano ko na parang, nga no, ang hirap bumili ng bahay dito sa Amerika kasi napaka-intimidating talaga kasi mga Amerikano yung mga kausap mo.
Correct.
Yung, first of all,
mostly.
yung lending in itself is very complicated.
Totoo yun.
diba?
Yeah. Very complicated talaga.
Correct.
It's not
Oo
an
nga.
easy.
Yes, oo.
So-
Buti na lang, bumalik ka pala sa pagre-real estate.
Yeah.
Kasi dito ka masaya.
Yes.
And this is what you really, like to do. And also, you're passionate about it.
Yeah.
Yes.
Diba?
Yes.
Kaya naman kasi mga Pilipino, talagang American dream natin magkabahay talaga.
Oo.
Totoo naman
Diba?
yun.
Correct.
Totoo naman.
Correct.
So Melody, another question. If you wanna advise someone in becoming a realtor, right?
Yes.
Give me 3 answers. What's the number 1? Ano yung pwede mong ibigay na advice?
Oo. Kung gusto nila
Mahirap to,
maging
Okay.
realtor.
realtor.
Yung pinaka ano talaga, okay?
What you learn.
In-apply ko
Yes,
to sa sarili ko.
mo.
Okay.
Yes.
We wanna know about you. Yes.
Yeah. So, dumating kasi ako sa real estate is like very tough times.
Yeah, it
the
is.
first two, my first
Yeah,
2 years
yeah.
was very tough. It was COVID
times, oo.
COVID was just, they just started letting us,
Oo.
go back
Coming
to
back.
work
Yeah.
and all that.
Naging
So,
open
Oo,
up.
tapos
yung
pataas
market-
ang interest.
Oo, yung market was rocky.
Yeah.
Market was rocky. So, I came in at a very tough time. So, ginawa ko talaga is I work a lot harder
Of course.
than all the realtors in Elk Grove.
Yeah.
I'm not kidding you. This
Yeah,
is an
yeah.
understatement if I tell you like
Narinig
I
mo
work
yan,
hard.
Oo
So,
nga.
no
Alam mo
offense.
talagang kinarera niya raw
Oo,
yung
oo.
open
No.
house.
No.
Wala siyang pahinga.
No
Non-stop.
offense. No offense sa mga talagang hardworking realtors, but I did a lot. I mean, talagang for the first 6 months, nag-open house ako Saturday and Sunday,
Wow.
almost every weekend.
Yeah.
So I was probably doing at least 6 open houses a
Wow.
month.
Oo. So it's all about
Okay.
grit. Talaga
Yeah.
ano ka
So,
talaga.
kasi yun ang, inaral ko talaga kung paano mag-prospect. So, like the first, talagang patok talaga na maka-prospect ka was to do
Open
open
house.
house. So,
Correct.
nagtrabaho ako ng mahabang oras at saka nag-promote ako sa business ko sa Filipino groups and
Groups,
Facebook. So,
communities, okay.
kinareer ko yung pag-video, pagpo-post.
Oo.
Like, almost every day I was posting until they got sick and tired of me and they have no choice but to
Yeah.
call me when they need real estate.
Yun.
Ayos. Okay, so pangalawa. Ano naman yung pangalawa?
pangalawang advice mo? So you have
Yeah,
to have,
sabi
you
niya-
have the grit. You have to have the
Yeah,
grit.
open
You have to-
house daw.
So,
Yan lang
yun yung
talaga.
open house. The second one was post until you...
They're
Yeah,
sick of you.
Yeah.
Yeah, until they
Yeah.
get sick
Yeah,
of you.
of course,
Yeah.
you don't want to be a
A lot
secret
of
agent, right? You don't want to be a
posting,
secret agent,
Eh
right?
kasi, oo nga. So ito naman kasi yung generation na everybody has their phone. Has to have their
Correct.
phone.
Oo,
So,
oo.
to reach my audience, talagang kinareer ko yung pagpo-post at saka yung
Correct.
pagpapaganda ko talaga kasi beauty helps talaga sa ano,
Correct.
diba?
Totoo yan.
Kailangan pleasant
Totoo yan.
ang itsura mo,
Correct.
di ba?
Oo. So,
Totoo. Ano pangatlo?
Yung pangatlo, yung talagang...
Pangatlo naman.
Yung pangatlo talaga is do not overlook yung mga kasi karamihan ng mga realtors or hindi naman karamihan pero nakikita ko lang before or na-apply ko din sa sarili ko to before is pag may customer ka, wag mo silang i-underestimate. So, kahit sino man sila na dumating sa open house mo, okay? Don't judge them. Entertain mo pa din sila as if they have 5 million sitting in their bank.
Oh,
Okay.
so
Ayun,
wag ka, I mean,
yun.
kailangan you need to treat
Everybody
everyone.
fairly. Don't
Correct.
judge the book when
With
it's closed.
kindness.
Diba?
Oo
Ganun.
nga.
So,
Wow.
ganun pa din ako. So,
Kasi
kahit-
minsan may mga susungi, pangit na damit dito, di naman, wala namang perang pambili yan.
Correct.
Huwag tayo mag-judge,
Oo.
di ba?
So, yun
Kasi
ang-
marami
Tingnan mo
dyan.
na, may suplada rin naman mga kliyente. How do you deal with that? Paano yun?
Oo nga, yung mga suplada.
Paano yung mga mas magaling pa sa'yo, mas marunong pa sa'yo? Paano?
Oo
Paano
nga.
ka magsusuplada sa akin? Eh kung ano ka, ganun din ako. Nakikilevel ako
okay.
sa'yo.
Ay, oo.
Yan.
Huwag kayo magsusuplada sa kanya. Okay.
Kasi even tayo.
Oo, kasi kailangan mo ring mamili ng kliyente eh.
Tama, oo.
Kasi bakit ka magsiservice sa isang client na hindi ka nire-respect?
Correct.
I
Oo nga.
heard that from
Okay.
you too as well.
So ano naman ang pinaka three things na hindi mo gusto working as a realtor?
Ako mahirap yata yan.
Mahirap yan. Pero, ito ang ginawa ko.
Oh, sige.
Okay, sige.
Okay, lapit natin.
Okay,
Lapit,
kasi
lapit.
alam naman natin as a realtor, we work on weekends.
Oo
Mostly.
nga.
That's our Mondays and
Correct.
Friday
So, Friday
is our Monday.
oo.
Yes.
Exactly. So, ang ginawa ko, in-incorporate ko yung kasi nga married with 3 kids ako, di ba? So, yung mga anak ko, Saturday, Sundays lang din yung off nila from school. So, ang ginawa ko is binibigyan ko sila ng allowance if they come with me to hand out my flyers
Wow.
on weekends.
Okay.
So,
okay.
nagkakaroon kami ng bonding, ng nagkaka-exercise kami, naglalakad kami. So, and I'm also at the same time,
May kasama ka.
At natuturuan ko sila.
Ng hard work.
Oo.
Nakikita nila yung hard work.
Nothing is
Oo.
free
Yes,
in life.
Correct.
True,
So,
true.
Okay.
That's good.
That's good. Okay,
Oo.
ano naman yung pangalawa?
Yung pangalawa,
Dahil may, yun nga na, we work weekends. So what are the second thing na?
the second one is, yun nga, hindi mo maiiwasan na may suplado at mga
Oo.
di ba?
Ayaw nga, pakikitungo.
Oo,
Yes.
So,
oo.
kailangan mo talagang iswallow mo yung pride
Totoo.
mo. Kasi,
Totoo.
kliyente pa din sila.
Correct.
So, they
Correct.
still...
Customer is
Yeah.
always
Well,
right.
it's true
That's
because you're
right.
you're always not gonna get yes. You're gonna get rejection.
Correct.
You're gonna get no's, right?
Yes.
And but it's part of the being success as well, right?
That's
All those
right.
stuffs are part of it.
And
Yeah.
it's not just your customers, also your co-agents.
Yeah, oo
Sometimes,
Di ba?
nga.
If I'm the one that's buying and at saka yung seller na realtor ko is being ugly, So you have to
Yes.
adjust with them as well. So yun.
Oo nga, kasi dami mong kailangan pakisaman at pakitunguan.
Tama,
Yes,
oo.
Yes,
yes.
oo. What's the third
The
one
third
naman?
one, ano bang
Pinakaayaw mo. Pag hindi nagsasara yung deal, may problema.
naturally.
Wala pa yung ducks, di pa clear to close, gano'n.
Oh, pag yung loan officer palpa.
So that's why you choose,
Wala pa.
choose your loan officer
Yes,
wisely.
you
Wala pa yung
choose
ducks,
who you wanna
wala pa
work
yung ducks,
with.
Diba? Clear to close
Yes,
natin yan.
oo.
Okay.
Yeah, yun yung pangatlo nga.
Ano yung pangatlo? Ano
Seriously.
yung pinakapangatlo mo?
Yung pinakapangatlo,
Oo.
ang hirap mag-prospect.
Yun.
Oo.
Tama.
Mahirap mag-prospect.
Real talk talaga.
Oo.
Kasi talagang ang daming realtors dito sa Sacramento.
Alam mo bang 7,000 real estate agents in Sacramento region?
7,000.
7,000 ang license.
Oo.
Yeah.
Sacramento lang yan
But I
wala
would
pa
say
yung
probably,
Placer County.
Wala pa siguro yung having talagang active dyan.
No, they're active because they're paying the dues.
Okay,
yeah,
okay.
you're right.
It's 7,000. Imagine
probably not
competing with
working.
7,000
Yeah.
agents.
So yes,
Right.
True,
the
true,
competition
true.
is
Yeah.
really high.
Yes.
So you have to really combat that. So pag na-break mo na yung ano na yun na, oh, ito pala yung niche ko. So like yung niche ko is like, I have to create yung karaoke night. So gusto ko yung mapansin ako. Tapos nagko-content ako kahit talagang ayoko naman yung selfie pero natutuwa ako.
TikTok.
Kailangan
TikTok, ha?
talaga.
May kilala
Oh, yeah,
akong realtor, magaling talaga nasa TikTok.
Yun nga, sabi nila mag-tiktok ka. Sabi
Oh,
ko,
sige,
ko
magtitiktok
kaya.
kami ni Melody.
Pero-
Don't you worry.
Sige, mag-tiktok.
Pero yung sinasabi kasi ni Melody, like I said, being a realtor, it's not easy talaga. It's
No.
really not easy.
Kasi alam mo ba, we wake up every day unemployed.
Yeah.
That's right.
Pero ito lang
Talagang we
masasabi-
really need to hustle
Ito-
every day,
ito-
day in, day out.
Ito lang masasabi ko sa inyo dalawa. If you survive the market that we had for the last 3 years, you can
Or even the market
Yeah.
right now.
you can survive
Yes.
any market.
Okay.
Yeah,
That's
so you guys, I mean, it
That
wasn't
sounds
easy.
very promising,
You
yeah.
guys could survive any market. I believe we're seeing the market becoming better now. I think
Okay.
it's coming.
Oo,
Right?
speaking of interest rate, I
Okay.
heard bumababa na raw.
Konti-konti lang.
Konting-konti.
Like I said, it's we're seeing a little bit of I would say the light at the end of the tunnel. Number one, because of the Fed chairman, mukhang aalisin na, right?
Eh, sa September pa siya matatapos
but-
yung term niya. Next month pa.
Yeah, but even though it's giving the market is reacting to that because we know pag yun napalitan, it has to be Trump, probably friends, whatever.
Yeah, we'll see.
We'll see.
Okay.
Pero I think we're seeing all the data. Inflation is down, right? Job
Okay.
report is pretty good.
Hindi, sabi ni yung job report bumaba. Daw?
but
Kaya nga finayard yung Department of Labor head
yeah.
Dahil hindi nagustuhan
Yeah, yun nga.
ng
Pero
presidente yung report.
Pero all the data are showing really, really positive. I think it's
Yeah.
time, and I think we're gonna see it.
I mean,
Yeah.
I really hope
Yeah.
so. Kasi right now, yan ang number one objection ng buyer. Kasi they like the house. Once
Yeah.
they see the payment, natatakot sila.
Correct. Now,
Para bang,
ito, magtatanong ako kay Melody.
Yes.
And I'm gonna ask like a buyer. So Melody, if I wanna buy a house, kung gusto kong bumili ng bahay or mga kliyente natin or mga
Oo,
audience
mga
natin,
kababayan na
ano
natin.
yung
naririnig.
unang advice mo sa kanila?
The very first advice
Step.
talaga is to call Alvin. Yes.
Numbers
totoo yan.
muna, di ba?
Correct.
Numbers muna,
Kasi
pre-approve.
you have to determine kung magkano yung affordability mo.
Yung purchasing power nila.
Purchasing power mo na
Oo.
magkano yung mabibili mo.
Tama,
Right?
oo.
Yun ang very first thing. Tapos, syempre, I get in touch with the lender. Tapos, mag-uusap na kami tungkol sa mga ratings nila, credit, blah, blah, blah. And then kasi, if ever na may issue kayo sa mga credits nyo, mafi-fix pa natin.
Makikita natin.
So this guy really determines kung kailan kayo makakabili ng bahay.
Correct. Oo, bibigyan kanya ng game plan, di ba?
Yes.
Pero
correct.
may mga ibang kliyente talaga, no, I just wanna see home. Di ba, may mga ganun talaga minsan, di ba?
Well,
How do you deal with that?
I will never, my time is not free.
Ayun.
Okay?
Ayun.
So, yung oras natin po, hindi natin sasayangin. Kasi paano tayo pumunta bibili tayo ng bahay? It's the same as...
Kung wala tayong pabili.
Oo.
Kung wala
hindi
kang
mo alam.
pambili. So, it's the same as, pumunta ka ng Costco, tapos wala kang wallet, di ba?
May pera sa baul.
Oo.
Ganun.
So, hindi tayo pwedeng pumunta agad ng mag-view lang tayo. Kasi mag-aaksaya lang tayo ng gas.
Tama,
At kasi,
tama.
by the time that you're ready to buy that house is already sold.
Correct.
Oo nga,
Okay.
wala na siya.
Especially
Correct. Oo. Well, yeah. So yun po sabi ni Realtor Melody, kailangan po nating malaman kung magkano po ang ating budget at kung kaya natin ang
Yun
payment.
naman ang importante
That's
numero, di
correct.
ba? Right? And
Yes.
by the way, just want to let you know, Melody, that I'm so proud and so happy that you're part of the Faripa talaga.
Yes,
You're
oo
doing
nga.
such a great job.
Actually, si Orlando Dalisay
Si Orlando,
ang
nagdala,
nag-refer
diba?
sa kanya.
Oo, na-shock na lang ako.
Oo nga, paano nga ba nangyari?
Oo nga,
Kasi,
paano?
we just incepted Faripa. Paanong nangyari?
Oo nga,
Anong
eh.
kwento sa'yo ni
Paano
Orlando?
paano na ibenta sa'yo?
No.
I wanted to say benta.
Okay, paano na
Okay.
How did you,
No,
how did you-
I went to, sa Keller Williams din to sa San Jose ba yun? Oh, where was that? Nung
Oo
nag-meet
nga,
tayo
yeah.
for the first
Oo,
time.
hindi, paano ka
So,
naibita ni
Yes,
Orlando sa Faripa?
paano ka na niya convince?
I had a listing. It was magkano ba yun?
Oo.
3 million ba yun?
Oo, sa
Okay.
Antioch or
Oo,
Discovery
oo,
Bay
sa
or
Discovery
something.
Discovery
Bay.
Bay. So may listing ako, 3.7 ata yun.
Okay.
Sabi ko, Orlando, you need to help me, find a client for a buyer for this. Sabi niya, perfect. Punta tayo sa San Jose kasi may meeting doon, lunch and learn. Okay? So sabi ko, okay, so punta ako tapos magbibigay ako ng flyers.
Sa Faripa Sacramento?
Oo,
Faripa
Faripa,
mismo?
Silicon Valley.
Silicon Valley.
San
Okay,
Jose.
makes sense. Okay.
Oo.
Pero wala siyang nabanggit tungkol sa Faripa.
Wala pa.
Wala siya.
Oo,
oo.
Wala
pa.
siyang sinabi?
No,
Wala pa.
blindsided ako.
Okay.
Oo,
Pagkatapos,
tapos,
So
nagpunta ka
nagpunta
ron?
na kami doon. Tapos sabi ni Orlando, pakilala kita kay Elizabeth Velasco. Sabi ko, Elizabeth
The
Velasco?
TikTok girl?
Oo. So na-shock ako.
The TikTok girl?
Kasi, eto fun fact to
Ito,
ha.
totoo yan.
fun fact daw.
Sabihin
Oo.
natin.
Nung bago ako like the first few months na nag-real estate ako,
Oo.
inaral ko talaga yung market, including kung sino yung mga competition ko.
Oo.
Naku, competition. Hindi
So,
naman si Star.
Hindi. At saka, sabi ko, ilang agents ba na nandito sa kung
Sa
gaano
Sacramento,
ka-saturated
sa
yung
Elk Grove.
market. Sabi
Oo
ko,
nga, sa
and
Elk
at the
Grove.
same time, inaaral ko yung mga realtors na kung sino yung gusto kong maging.
Yun.
Naks naman.
Tapos nakita
Ginawa
ko
pa ako
si
model.
Elizabeth Velasco. So sabi ko, I wanna be just like
Yeah.
her. I wanna do
Yeah.
what she does.
Yeah.
Oo,
Okay.
kasi top producer talaga si ate talaga.
Oo nga,
sabi
kaya
ko,
nga magjo-join na siya ng Team David.
Well, I can tell you
Biro
that
lang.
I've been working with her for the last 3 years.
Yeah.
She is one
Oo,
I would say
so-
one of the
Yeah,
best.
yeah.
and
Oo.
and
So,
and
hindi
I-
nagulat ka nung nagkilala tayo
na,
doon.
oo, talagang na-starstruck ako.
Naku
Kasi
naman,
sabi ko,
na-starstruck pa.
si Elizabeth Velasco from Remax,
Mismo.
nakita
Mismo,
ko
oo.
in person.
Oo.
Talagang tinouch ko siya. Sabi ko, totoo ba talaga siya? Sabi ko,
Sobra ka naman,
baka
sister.
mahawa ako sa kaswertehan niya. At
Oo,
saka,
oo.
I mean, being an agent is not all about luck, okay?
Yeah,
Kailangan talaga yung, nandun yung hard worker.
Oo
I mean,
nga, yes.
karamihan natin mga Pilipino naman talaga, mga hard worker tayo.
Oo,
That's a
kasi
given. That's a
sister, given
given.
na yan, imagine,
Oo.
pumunta ka dito as a
Yeah.
tourist.
Oo.
Talagang
Yeah.
pinaglaban mo yung pangarap mo. Hindi yan mapupunta sa wala.
And look at
Diba?
where you're at right
Yes.
now.
Look at you right now,
I'm seeing
diba?
a lot of activities on you
Oh.
sa real estate side. And again, at the end of the day,
Yeah.
it's it's not about where you came from. It's not about what your status before. It's the grit. Yung
Yes,
how bad you want it.
Yeah,
diba?
and I'm really excited what Melody is gonna become
Oo, sobra,
in this
sobra.
business.
Ang galing. Okay kaya siya.
Exactly.
Anong position niya ulit sa Pariba?
Secretary.
Sorry.
Alam mo siya gumawa lahat ng mga paperwork natin. Lahat ng mga government legal paperwork natin. Yes. Well, thank you so much,
Yes,
Melody.
thank you,
We
Melody.
really appreciate you. And thank you
Excited ako
thank you so much for guesting here. And you're excited.
Sa lahat ng mga upcoming events natin.
Ay, oo, ang saya.
Oo,
Saya.
oo.
Actually, ang susunod na event namin for Faripa, we did the Pacquiao.
Pacquiao fight.
Yeah,
which
2
is
weeks ago.
Very successful
It was
one.
successful. And we're gonna have the karaoke night. It's gonna be
Ito
chaired
na.
by
Ito na.
Melody.
Ito na,
This is the karaoke
Ito
queen.
Ito na.
Yes.
Paganda na ng paganda yung mga event natin.
Correct. Oo
for
nga.
sure, for
Talagang
sure.
pusong Pinoy talaga
Pusong
tong
Pinoy
Faripa.
talaga. Oo.
Correct.
Good.
So anyway, I hope you learned something today. And of course, also follow Melody Epley on Instagram,
Yeah.
YouTube, and Facebook here at Keller Williams Elk Grove. And if you have any other suggestions or you want us to feature here at Bahay Pinoy sa
Let us
Tate,
know. Yeah.
let us know. Feel free to like, comment, and subscribe
Subscribes.
here at Bahay Pinoy sa Tate. Thank you,
Bye, guys.
everyone. Bye-bye.